Hello, my name is John Riley. I travelled here 10 days ago to Hyderabad from the UK. For a number of years I've had problems with my teeth, and over the last 4 years things have got pretty serious. Various teeth have fallen out, I've lost my back teeth, my front teeth were loose. I was really struggling to eat. I could only eat on the corner of one side of my mouth, and things were just getting worse and worse. So at that point I started researching if I got any other options. I really didn't want false teeth, I didn't want a plate in my mouth, so I started looking at the possibility of implants. I went to see some doctors in the UK who said because of the bone loss I'd suffered, it would be a pretty major fix. I would be looking at having bone grafts and a fair lot of work, which would take quite a long time to do. The other option I was offered was an all-on-4 basis with teeth, which was almost like having false teeth from what I could see, but fixed by four or six implants on the bottom and 4 or 6 on the top. Again, it wasn't something I wanted. I was looking for an option which would be a quicker fix and would be more like having, as near as I could get to having real teeth put in. It was at that point I came across the Dr. Motowala website, and I kept looking at it and looking at other options and coming back, and time again I came back to Dr. Motowala, who rather than just a straight dental implants person, was a full surgeon. He was offering a technology, as far as I could see, that nobody else was. So I got in touch with them, and I spoke firstly with Tasneem, his coordinator, who was very helpful. And then I actually spoke directly to the doctor himself, Dr. Motowala. And every question I asked, I got a positive response and was very happy with the response I got. So I decided to take the plunge and buy a ticket, and I came out 10 days ago to Hyderabad. I was met at the airport by their own driver. They brought me straight to the clinic, and the clinic is a fantastic clinic. It's perfectly clean, all the staff are wonderful. I was really looked after very well from the onset. So straight away, the various scans were all taken. This was all done using their own equipment in-house, which from what I can see is the latest equipment available. And I was then informed by the doctor that he believed that he could do the full implants as promised. And the following day, I went through 5 hours of surgery with having my remaining teeth taken out and the implants put in, and left the clinic that day with the temporary teeth, which looked great to me, but I had no pain during the operation, and the following morning I woke up and I was fine. At that point I stopped even taking any painkillers that I'd been given, and I haven't needed any more since I've been out here. A couple of days later I went back to the clinic and had the first fix of the real teeth, which I'd chosen as zirconian options, and they just looked like real teeth straight in. I was perfectly happy and was astounded when I looked in the mirror at what they'd done. But Dr. Motowala, who is an absolute perfectionist, said they're not quite the way he wanted them. We had the discussions, and he said, let me rework, come back and do a little bit more work on them, come back the following day. So I put the temporary back in again, and I came back the following day, and we had a sort of an hour session again. There's no pain during any of this. And he was right, they were better again and absolutely perfect. So this is it. I've been out here 10 days. I had a lovely time in Hyderabad. The drivers take me to see all sorts of sites, which there's a lot of things to see, the local museums, the forts. It's a great city. It's well worth coming over to see. Everybody that I've come across at the hotel, at the clinic, whoever I've met has been wonderful. I have absolutely no problem with recommending this clinic. I think it's probably one of the best in the world for what it does. Go for it. If you've got the problems that I had, you won't do better. Come here.